Yeah. Yeah, clean my shit. Oh! Alright, anyways, you alright, dude? You alright, dude? There's a tire there. Hold on. Oh yeah, don't. Alright.
You begged me to clean your shit.
Oh, okay. Parking brake cable, factory one, right here. Not long enough. It does not come out over here. The driver's side is, you can see here, so I gotta adjust that and take all the slack out. Yeah, not long enough. So this is the little shop kit, and in the little shop kit, when you do it in the instructions in the PDF, it does tell you to go ahead and get you the other part number brake cable, which I got from Napa, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna put that on now. All right, there, a new cable in there. I gotta put the end stop. How this one has the end stop. Focus, Jesus. Hello? Bro, I need a new phone, bro. This shit is for the birds right now. We got a new cable. Routed. Except I need to pinch these two pieces of metal together, so I can't get it in at all right now. So we got that. See, this is the cable here. This is the end from the original, and this is the end from the cable. So I just gotta get a little jointed piece of metal here. Bow! Pop them joints on right there, and that's it. We got e-brake. Shot JMC grill waiting. Got lights in the grill piece waiting on the way. Everything else looks clean. Don't mind the oil leak. Don't mind the oil leak. Oh, still holding up so fancy. 80, 480 in. Still working. Still doing its thing. Capital trucking. I don't know about y'all. But yeah, dude. Almost getting there. Yo, we out here right now. Oh, god damn, I need gas. But we investing in the future? Yo, we got GoPro. I decided to go with an 8. So I'm about to just like put this GoPro in an oil pan or something and forget about it. And you know, we got some suction cup mounts so I can get some more action, because we got stuff coming along, you know. And we got the mini drone. Investing right now. Yo, I don't know what this is, but we're at freaking oh, is that more clearer for you guys? We're at 1080p 60 on I don't know what setting on the GoPro. So let me know if the audio is coming out okay. I mean, I'm gonna check it, but yo, we're about to put this in places, yo. This is crazy. Yo, one thing I forgot. I'll show you. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me put some pimp into it. Lithium ion. Cool. Check. There was water leaking through my blower motor onto the ground. Not no more. And before, the blower motor sounded like a dying wolf or a dying hyena. But now it works like normal. Oh, before it was like fuck. And at work I had like a pile of 2 pounds of walnuts and everything that were in there. So if you have water leaking in there, this is what you got to clean up. Oh yeah, and then I got door panel clips. If you've seen my older videos, oh, the glizzy. If you've seen my older videos, this thing, floppy. We ain't floppy no more. Let me show you. Whew, they're on both sides. Boy, coolant is good. Right in there. That is a water drain for the cow. So water will go in through there. I had all this apart, I had the wipers off, and it's gonna go into there, but it won't be able to exit and come out your fender if you have 2 pounds of walnuts and squirrel munchies everywhere. You can see it better on this side. So you can take that off and get all the gunk out. I literally had like 2 pounds of gunk come out, and now I got no more water leak. Take the wipers off, take these screws off, super easy. This, literally, you fold the wiper up, pull up on this tab. You pull up on that tab right there, and then the wiper, boop, pops off. Then you can take your cowl off. But that's it. That is all she wrote.